pollolimone, and it comes with its own pasta sauce baked right in the oven. If we're going to put real flavor in this chicken, we're going to score the skin to make a spot for the flavor to come in. Grated garlic will fit in those crevices, and we're going to start infusing real lemon flavor with the zest, which will fit in those crevices too. Salt, fresh cracked pepper, and that zest and garlic will get all in there. White wine and the juice of that lemon is going to help this marinade work really quick. You got to have olive oil. It's Italian. Of course, Grandma Genny always used olive oil. 1 hour, that's it. Whenever you're roasting meat, you always want a heavy steel bottom pan with celery and onions to prop up that chicken. We're going to make a sauce underneath. A little more salt and pepper. You want lots of pepper with lemon chicken, right? And Grandma Genny would always place thin slices of lemon right on top of the chicken. That lemon oil is going to soak right in, and that bitterness is pleasant. You actually want that. Don't get rid of that juice though. That's good flavor. I had a garlic wrapped in foil, going to hitch a ride in the oven to roast. That's going to be good. But that juice is what we want to capture. Remove the garlic, set that chicken aside. This juice is what you want. It's liquid gold. This needs pasta, but don't use olive oil. Let's use some of that schmaltz, since we have it. And a little garlic, of course. We're using spaghetti, linguine, whatever you want. We're going to turn this sauce into something special with that roasted garlic. You don't want the skins, though. Don't be a cavone. You got to do this while it's still hot. That heat and fat will emulsify a couple of egg yolks, making this sauce rich and delicious. I like to add capers to accentuate the lemon flavor, then add the pasta. A little of that pasta water, and some of that rich sauce you made. And to make it even richer, Pecorino Romano. It's like limone meets cacio e pepe. The only thing this needs is a little fresh parsley and a hint of lemon to wake it up. Remember, it's all about the lemon. Now all you need is some of that spaghetti and the beautiful piece of that chicken. Garnish with a little parsley maybe. A little more pecorino. Yeah. And a little more of that sauce.
This is rich and creamy and decadent. Yeah, it's so light because of the lemon.
I might be speechless on this one.
Couple egg yolk for that sauce. Make it that creamy. That's crazy.
She didn't make pasta with it, but I think she would approve. This reminds me of Grandma Genny.
That was really impressive for how simple it was.